Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone looking for a reliable tool for home projects, this list has got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pulley 20V cordless drill driver. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $32.99 and offers a surprising set of features for the price. It boasts a 20V motor paired with two 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, ensuring you have enough power for light and medium-duty tasks. With a maximum torque of 30 Nm and 21+1 adjustable torque settings, it delivers decent precision for basic drilling and screw driving applications. The kit includes a 34-piece accessory set, making it beginner-friendly and versatile for home use. In terms of design, the Pulley 20 drill is lightweight and compact, making it comfortable to handle even for extended periods. The integrated LED light is a thoughtful addition, especially for working in dimly lit areas. However, the build quality reflects its price point, with a plastic-heavy construction that might not hold up under heavy-duty use. This drill is ideal for casual DIYers or homeowners who need an affordable tool for occasional projects. While it lacks the power and durability of premium models, it offers solid performance for its price. The downside? Its torque and speed are limited compared to higher-end models, making it unsuitable for demanding tasks. But overall, for under $35, it's a fantastic value. At number 4, we have the Aliexpress 20V Max cordless drill set, priced at $34.99. With its brushless motor design, this cordless drill steps up the game for budget tools. The brushless motor offers improved efficiency and durability, delivering a maximum torque of 531 inches. This makes it suitable for tougher tasks like drilling into concrete and metal, as well as woodwork. It features a keyless metal chuck that ensures secure bit gripping and easy changes, adding to its convenience. The Aliexpress drill's design is rugged, with a metal chuck providing more durability compared to plastic alternatives. It includes two 2.0 amp-hour batteries for extended runtime, and the LED light is a great touch for working in low-light conditions. The 2-speed adjustment, 0 to 500 RPM and 0 to 1800 RPM, provides versatility for both delicate and heavy-duty jobs. While the build quality is solid for the price, the overall feel may not match premium models in terms of ergonomics. This drill is perfect for users who need a bit more power and durability on a budget. The major drawback is its relatively limited brand presence and fewer customer reviews compared to more established names. Despite this, the Aliexpress offers impressive performance for its price, making it a worthy contender in the budget category. At number 2, we have another excellent offering from DeWalt, the DCD771C2 cordless drill driver kit. Also priced at $99. This model is slightly more traditional in design compared to the DCD777D1, but it doesn't skimp on power or versatility. The high-speed transmission allows for 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, making it suitable for a range of drilling and fastening applications. The motor delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, ensuring reliable performance for medium-duty tasks. The build quality of the DCD771C2 is top-notch, as expected from DeWalt. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to use, reducing fatigue during extended projects. It includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable carry bag, making it a complete package for professionals and DIYers alike. The single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength, enhancing precision. This drill is perfect for users who value reliability and a solid feature set at a reasonable price. The main drawback is that it doesn't include brushless motor technology, which would improve runtime and efficiency. However, for most users, the DCD771C2 will handle everyday tasks with ease and is backed by DeWalt's trusted reputation. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2, priced at $149. This kit offers unparalleled value for those looking for a versatile and high-performance set of tools. The drill features two speed settings, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, and delivers 300 unit watts out UWO of power, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The Impact Driver, on the other hand, boasts 1,700 in-pounds of torque, perfect for heavy-duty fastening jobs. The design is compact and lightweight, with the drill weighing just 2.8 pounds and the Impact Driver measuring a mere 5.55 inches front to back. Both tools feature ergonomic handles for comfort and control. The included LED light ring on the Impact Driver provides excellent visibility without shadows, and the one-handed loading chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. This combo kit is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who need a reliable, high-quality set of tools that can tackle a wide range of tasks. While the price is higher than the other options on this list, the performance, durability, and versatility of the DCK240C2 make it worth every penny. The only downside is that it might be overkill for casual users, but for those who need power and precision, this is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description for the best deals.